Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A very good to all, especially honorable the president of this ceremony. Respect the teacher of practice Preparatory High School, and also respect my dear teacher, who is the coordinator of outgoing, and my dear audience. At first, take my salam, assalamu alaikum. As well as know that today is the farewell ceremony of Practice Preparatory High School. I feel very happy to get this opportunity for delivering this speech today. Joeluddin sir is our English teacher. We spent a long time with you. We spent 2 years with you. However, to this moment, if you get any pain by us, please forgive us. This I am finishing my speech. Assalamu alaikum.